Bueno, mi gente, you know how this works already. Yes, they came straight from Nike. I hate on the sneakers app. Of course, guys, first impression. Vamos a ver how this is, dog. You know what I'm saying? Maybe tremenda galera. If you guys don't know what that is, it's just bad. It is what it is, guys. We ain't got time to waste. Roll my intro. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things. And guys, staying away from the drama. Remember that, guys. Laugh it up. Laugh it up. I know I do, guys. But anyways, yes. What is it exactly that I'm going to think of this shoe? And I'm going to be 100% sincere with you guys. I did not hit on these shoes. Actually, let me be honest with you even more. I didn't even go after these shoes when they released. So I had the originals in my hand. I have a couple of friends, actually like 4 or 5 friends that actually have the shoes. And man, yes, I understand the quote that they say, shattered backboard materials. Yes, guys. So let's check out what this is all about. I have not. Some of my friends actually, they bought them before time, and I told you guys I'm just gonna buy them straight through the app. You know, I did calculations through StockX and stuff like that, and I saw, bro, between fees and shipping and all this, is still over. You know, because it was like at 169 or something like that. You know, Brick City. It is what it is. But I saw it, and I said, you know what? I'm still better off giving it straight to Nike, because at the end of the day, it was still going to come out more expensive. But if I was you guys, you know, wait for the review. I'll let you guys know. But you know that these are going to break even a lot harder than what it is, you know. Once again, nobody's a guru here. But let's see. Let's see what it's all about, guys. You know, why talk so much? You know, you guys know already the deal. Could it be on the first shot? Let me go with the right hand this time, guys. Vamos. Vamos, coño. Mira para allá. Dale. I had to speak to it in Spanish. Yeah, so you could understand. You know what I'm saying? Get it quick. You know, we quick, dog. We quick. We ain't wasting no time up in this joint. Let's check it out. Man, been seeing this box for months, bro. For months up on the net. Why am I even lying, dude? I don't even look at YouTube. Guys, it is what it is. It is what it is. From the moment you start doing this, and it's video after video, come on, man. The least thing I want to do is even look at YouTube, dude. You know, I could understand sometimes. We'll get to the shoes right now, guys. I could understand sometimes, dead serious, how there's YouTubers that get to a point that they don't even, they stop replying, they stop, because it's just so much work at it. You know what I'm saying? And there's people that, you know, that are very logical, and they ask very good questions, certain things that are people that are, you know, they're just logicals, to put it like that. And then there's the rest that just don't even make sense, just to say something, just to be the you know, I guess they're not cool in school, you know what I'm saying, just to put it like that. And they get their little rocks off in the internet, you know, miserable people, man. And then you got great people, you know. So it's like, you got so many things going on in the YouTube that it's just like, yo, you don't even got time for it sometimes, you know. And then when you get with the audience, then you got all that you have to deal with. So it's like, you gotta be erasing. Not that I give a rat's ass, but I don't want that for in the comment section. So you gotta be deleting all these people and getting just to, because they get their little rocks off. Like I said, guys, they're miserable in real life. So they gotta do something to get the attention of their idols. Let's be realistic about it. In reality, if you would say everything they love for you to say, they're not gonna say anything. It's logical, guys. So YouTube, guys, honestly gets to a point. It gets annoying. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It gets annoying. You gotta a lot of things, but what is it that keeps me going? What is it that keeps all YouTubers going? Is you guys, man, the true hardcore fans and followers and supporters and personal friends that truly support you. Dude, it is what it is, man. So already you created a commitment, and you gotta keep going at it, guys. You know, like I always say, guys, this is my time to chat with you guys one-on-one. You know what I'm saying? This is actually my relax. If YouTube was always like this, oh man, I'll love it. You know, just there talking, but I gotta bring you guys the shoes. I gotta bring you guys information, and it is what it is. But anyways, guys, let's take a loogie a esta cosa that I have been waiting. You know, been waiting for a while, and let's see what's up, guys. Let's see what's up. But so far, the box, man, I really like this presentation. You know, I really like the presentation. And lately, people they've actually asked me, yo, Primo, you don't throw away the boxes anymore. I don't see you throwing the boxes. Because, guys, I have no space anymore. So, I am forced to put back the shoes and boxes. You know, and getting rid of a lot of shoes, too, donating them and stuff like that. And, you know, they're pre-owned, guys. You know, and donating them to the poor, and it is what it is, man. You know, and I get gifted a lot of shoes too. And it is what it is, guys. But you know, I'm doing my best. It is what it is. Oh man, wow! I'll tell you one thing: the colors are beautiful, and obviously I'm gonna go with the orange because of the U. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, dog. Tu sabe, puñeta, que hola. That's the Cuban Puerto Rican. You know what I'm saying? Gotta do the mix. It is what it is, dog. Let's check this out, man. Let's check this out. I'm gonna look at the other one too, just to make sure that it's not, well, it's coming straight from Nike, so I don't think they're damaged or anything like that. But guys, you always gotta keep an eye open on it. Yeah. Yeah, they're nice. They're really, huh. Yeah, okay. You know, off the rip, I see a couple of little things. I see a couple of little things compared to, you know, my boys that have the OGs. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, not bad, man. Check it out. Check it out. What do you guys think? You know? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Like I said, guys, first impression. I like doing this, you know, because I don't waste it behind the camera. Yeah, man. There's a lot of things in here that they're nice. Ooh, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, really nice. I'm gonna bring the review, obviously, guys. I'm gonna bring the review. I am gonna be speaking about it, and I am gonna bring a little topic about it. That, you know, the review and the topic. I'm gonna start doing that, guys, so we can get more in depth with the shoes. But yeah, everything is fine. You guys have probably seen the review a million times, you know, but this is for my followers, the people that are always waiting for my 2 cents on what they should do with that, you know. And already I can tell you off the rip, you know, guys, this is gonna go 2 ways. They're already Brick City. You could get yourself even a better price. Just hold off on it. Remember, I'm the reviewer. I have to get these shoes. It is what it is. Bring you the reviews, but the reviewer's curse. Take your time, man. Take your time. Get them at a good price, bro. Get them at even a better price. Just hold on, you know, and you know, get my 2 cents for it, and you guys will make up your decision. But in this case, come on, man. You know, I mean, nobody's a guru in this world. Nobody knows. And maybe out of a sudden now they blow up out of proportion. You know, that is kind of happening with the rare airs. But in the case of this, come on, man. Relax, relax. Boy, there's more time than life. Remember that, guys. There's more time than life. But there you guys have it. The first impression on the shattered backboards. So far, so good. I see a couple little things in there that I'll speak to you guys about it. And bring you the info. Guys, the rest of the month, there's really not that much crazy. You know, the awakes and stuff like that are coming out. I don't know who's going after that. I'm going to go after them. If I don't hit on them, it's not something that I'm going crazy over. Not going to lie to you. You know, I do this a lot. You know, and my audience knows it. I'm not getting them, and I end up always getting them. You know, after time, it's like, you know, at least with my group of people, it's like, all right, I got to end up getting them because they want to see it or something like that. And at the same time, just to add to the collection. But right now, I'm not going really crazy for those shoes. Not to that extent. And I'm a big Awake fan. You know, I have the ASICs and stuff like that of Awake and clothing. And, I'll make up my mind. I'll make up my mind on that, you know, and see if I go with the resale, even though they're going cuckoo on that, bro. You know how this works. And even though sometimes I say, I'm not going to fall for it no more. It is what it is, dude. Hey, guys, I'm transparent. It is what it is. But yes, that's pretty much it for today, guys. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Any questions, let me know, guys. I'm there, man. Or at least I try to be there. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace! El cohete. Well, a little bit more, voy a hacer un baile aquí, you know what I'm saying? The lambada.